how to turn off chat disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off chat disappearing messages on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find any chat you want, like this one. Click on it and then click here on this profile and scroll down until you find this one, disappearing messages. Click on it and then just here you will find it. If you want to turn it off, just click off. It's easy. And as you see, disappearing messages have been turned off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.